NetSuite Release Preview 2022.1 Release Notes, Enhancements to Fixed Assets Management, Diagnostics Portlet. Alright, so here is where I am on my working sheet with all the suite answers, and let's go and look at the release notes. The Fam Diagnostics Portlet on the home dashboard enables you to check the health of the Fixed Assets Management Suite app. The following features are available in the Enhanced Fam Diagnostics Portlet. Alright, so you've got scan for assets without asset value records, scan for lease payments without contracts, updates to column labels. Alright, now, so to do this, you have to update your bundle, right? And I have gone and I have updated my fixed asset management bundle. You can see there today's date. And so if I now go to my home page and I go personalize and I go to suite apps, you will see you will have here a new suite app called Fam Diagnostics. So let's click on that and I'll close this again, and there you can see there I've got my pre-compute depreciation values, reset asset values, check missing summary. Alright, so let's refresh that. Let's run the scan here. Your request to scan will be submitted. This may take a few seconds, and let's do that. And let's run this one, and let's run this one, and I will pause now just for a couple minutes to give it a moment to process. Alright, so as you can see, I've now run all three of these processes. You can see there the dates, but it has not come up with any action, so I've got no issues on this account. So I will now take some time and go and create some issues to see if we can actually see the actions here required. Okay, so I have imported some assets through CSV, so I was expecting this to come up. I've reset some asset values, and so I've expected to get a result here. What I have noticed is that I need to have bundle number 41485, and so after I've done the update on my fixed asset manual here bundle, I notice it still is 364000. So I've done the update, it's not working like it says it should in the suite answer, so I will probably have to raise an issue with NetSuite.